Everyone, welcome to Hensing YouTube channel. Here is showing the LED strobe light. First of all, we turn on the power and change the voltage to 12. And then we connect black to negative and red to positive. We can use yellow wire to touch red wire for 1 second to change the flashing patterns. Here we will show in several flashing patterns for reference. There are 6 LEDs in one light, and we can make different colors for you: red, blue, white, yellow, or some others. And we can also do 2 colors in one light. Usually, one-piece LED strobe light is packed in a white box, then in a carton. Welcome your inquiries. Thank you.